Hi friends, welcome to PFF 531. I'm your guide, Jonathan G. Aragon. Nice to meet you. I went through the certificate program myself, and I know it can be tough sometimes. But congratulations, you're almost there. We can do this together. We will be meeting as a class, optionally, a few Wednesdays out of the semester, so keep an eye out for those days. It will be 5 to 6. My office hours will also be Wednesdays from 5 to 6, and I'll put a link to that right here. So feel free to stop by and I'll help you with whatever it is that you need. Remember, we're all here to learn, so there's no need to feel like you have to be polished. Use the community. Something that really helped me get through the program was meeting with my peers to do homework together outside of class. So it's not required, but consider study groups. It does help. Feel free to share. Use the discussion boards. Even if you have a question, post it in the discussion boards. A lot of times people have the same questions, so it does help. All right. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump in and see what we're going to be doing this week. Let's go. All right, when you log onto Canvas, on the landing page, you will see that assignments are due twice a week, on Wednesdays and Sundays at 11:59 p.m. To stay focused, keep an eye on the right side of your page here. This will contain a to-do list, and it's by the nearest to-do. So your to-dos for Wednesday are 3 items. To introduce yourself, to submit your intent to receive degree certificate, and to submit your portfolio link. So let's go through these one by one. Introduce yourself. Click on the link. Here you'll see some instructions. Tell us a little bit about your academic program at CGU, your motivation for engaging with the PFF program and earning the certificate. If you're teaching, share a little bit about that, where you teach in the subject. Share a little fact about yourself. Something about you that has nothing to do with being a student. You may upload photos. And make sure that you read and respond to each other's introductions. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here. This is so that you will see when somebody else posts an introduction about themselves, and that's important because then you will be notified when you need to respond to somebody. So to make a post, you just hit reply here. And then you can write into the text box. You can insert a video if you like, a link to audio, some other media. You can attach a photo or media of some kind. YouTube, etc. And then just hit post reply, and it will post. All right, now on to the next assignment. The intent to receive certificate form. Click the link, and it will open the assignment page just like before with some instructions on what you need to do. Click this link that says here, and it will download the form. All right, here's the important part. Some Mac users are used to filling out CGU forms with Preview. And it makes sense. Preview is much less restrictive and it's easy to use. And you can even add a signature with Preview. Signature. However, don't do that because CGU is requiring that forms be digitally signed. And what we mean by digitally signed is not this kind of signature. When we say digitally sign, it means a printed name and a timestamp using Adobe. So what you need to do is say open with Adobe Acrobat. And it will look like this. And this is the digital signature that needs to be filled out. And you see here, it's digitally signed. And then you pick a place for it. And go ahead and save it. Signing. So here's the thing. Some folks will open it, will fill it out with Preview, and then realize they need that special digital signature thing, and open it again with Adobe to sign it. The problem is when you do that and you upload the document, all this wonderful stuff that you fill out here will just disappear and nobody will be able to see it. It will be an empty form. That's a problem. I don't know why it happens. It just happens. So what you really need to do is, from the moment that you download it, from start to finish, you must open it with Adobe and fill everything out with Adobe and sign it with Adobe. The other problem is if you have had a paid Adobe document reader account and you open it with that and you don't have that subscription anymore, it will keep saying, you know, please pay us again, please give us money again. And it's kind of annoying. And what I personally had to do was just delete that and download Adobe Reader. So you don't want Adobe Document Cloud, you want Adobe Reader for it. You will be able to digitally sign it with Adobe Document Cloud. You just have to set it up and you have to keep rejecting the prompts to resubscribe. And you can still digitally sign it like that, but if the prompts annoy you, then just delete Document Cloud and download a Reader and just use Reader. All right, so how do you set up that digital signature? Well, luckily we put a video for you right here that you can go and watch. And it will tell you exactly how to go ahead and set that signature up. All right, you just have one more assignment you need to submit by Wednesday. Submit your portfolio link. Click on the assignment over on the to-do side of the right-hand page like before. And what you need to do is go into your Google Drive, find your portfolio folder, right-click on it, click on Get Shareable Link. Turn on link sharing, this little slider here, copy the link, go to the top of the page, click Submit Assignment, paste in the link, and then just click this Submit button. All right, that's all your assignments that are due by Wednesday. Please just try to get things in, even if they're rough, because the turnaround time is relatively short. Wednesdays and Sundays. Come on by. Post your questions in the questions and answers section on the discussion board. That way everybody can see it in case they have the same questions, and we can help each other as a community. Congratulations on making it to 531. See you soon. Goodbye.